Hey guys, at the Solang Valley la vandu trek panna porom. Hi everyone.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the
வண்டி விட்டு இறங்குறோம் பார்த்தா ஸ்னோஃபால் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. பா
same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
Okay guys, ஹாஸ்ல உட்கார போறோம். 3 பேருக்கு 1000 னு சொல்லி பேசிருக்கு.
I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago, I've changed for the better.
ஏறிக்கு வந்தாச்சு. காலு ராணே ராணே ஹார்ஸ் ரைட் பண்ணி அங்கே போகிறோம் கைஸ். அங்கே ஃபால்ஸ் இருக்கிற இடத்துக்கு.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Having a great fun with horse ride. Very level fun, guys. Come on. Shh. Oi, 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 oi. Wrong direction. Yeah.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going live, still nobody knows, but I'ma choose.
This ride is so cool.
Back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.
3 கிலோமீட்டர் இப்படி போகணுமா, நடக்க முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லி ஹார்ஸ் போகிறாங்க. 3 பேருக்கு 1000.
The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Oh my. Oh man, damn. இது மேல எடுத்தாங்க பாருங்க guys. அப்பா. Wow, man. வேற லெவல். My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself and my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. Things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Guys, என்னால் ஏற முடியல. அதனால தான் பசங்களை போக சொல்லிட்டாங்க கிரிக் டெம்பிள்.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going live, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
Did you find that one? Wow, man.
I got it.
The oval one. Did you got the oval one?
I got this.
Guys, snow pay ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு. வேற லெவல்ல snow பெய்யுது guys. Wow.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Okay guys, time to leave. இந்த place விட்டு லீவ் பண்ணுறோம். ஃப்ரை மோமோஸும் அதுக்கப்புறம் நார்மல் மோமோஸும் வாங்கினேன். செம்ம டேஸ்ட்டாக இருக்குது. ஒன்று நான் டேஸ்ட் பண்ணி பார்த்தேன், வேறு லெவலில் இருந்துச்சு. திரும்பி ஹாஸ்டலில் தான் ரிட்டர்ன் போகிறோம். Okay guys, I hope you all like this video. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா மறக்காமல் லைக், ஷேர் அண்ட் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் டு ஆசியன்ஸ் வைஸ். இது போல் சூப்பரான vlogல உங்களுக்கு மீண்டும் சந்திக்கிறேன். டாட்டா, பை பை guys. Guys, மேலே இந்த snowfall.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.